In this class we will cover another important topic which is very important for a motion designer. I mean, in this class we will know what is dimensions. According to scientists, till date 11 or 12 dimensions have been understood by humans. So let's start with the basics. But before starting, let me ask you a question. As you know, before 3 comes 2. Before 2 comes 1. And before 1 comes 0. But what comes before 0? That is -1. Then after -1 comes -2. And after -2 comes -3. Note here that this is 0. This is a line, and this 0 is called the center of origin. If you understand this, then it will be very easy for you to understand the definition of dimensions. Here the values of plus and minus have no meaning. They are just equally divided. Now let's know what are dimensions and how do they work. First, let's talk about zero dimensions. As the name suggests, zero means no dimension. When a body is stationary at a point, it does not move towards any direction. For example, the sun. Now let's talk about one dimension. When a body moves only towards one direction, especially without slowing down or accelerating. For example, this is a line and we call it x. This line has values of both plus and minus. Above 0, +1, +2, +3, etc. Below 0, -1, -2, and -3, etc. Any body that can move above 0 along the plus values can also move along the plus values from minus. And any body that can move first along the plus values and then along the minus values. Now let's talk about two dimensions. While covering the previous one dimension, we took a line and named it x. Now let's take two lines and name the other one y-axis. The rest of the rules and phenomena will be the same. We increased the confusion on one dimension to make it easier to understand the next dimensions. Now let's talk about 3D. There are 3 directions in 3D. To understand through paper or animation, we take 3 lines and name the third line z-axis. Right, left, up, down, front, back. The world we live in, the dimensions we live in, we call it 3D. The easiest and most relatable example of a room in our lives. A room is the easiest example to understand 3D. This class was very important for the upcoming classes. I hope you liked this class. You must have understood the dimensions well. If you liked this class, then like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next class.